Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study social studies of class 2. And in our today's lecture we will start a new lesson, that is lesson 9. The name of our lesson is types of clothes. We wear different types of clothes, and in this lesson we will discuss those types of clothes. So first of all, take out your social studies books and open up page number 48. Class, open up page number 48. Okay. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. And we need clothes to protect ourselves from heat and rain. Yes, this is very important. We need clothes to protect ourselves from cold and rain. Therefore, we wear clothes according to the seasons. Yes, we wear clothes according to the seasons. Now, on page number 48, there is a question. Look at these pictures. Write the season in which you would wear them. Okay, so first of all, let's look the first picture. Yes, this is a jacket. When do we wear it? In summer or in winter? Yes, we wear jackets in winter. Write down winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Second picture. This is a picture of shorts. So, we wear these types of clothes in summer. Write down summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Now, moving towards the third picture. The third picture is of a raincoat. So, we wear these raincoats in the season of rain. We wear these clothes in rainy season. Okay, so this picture shows that we wear these type of clothes in summer. We wear these type of clothes in summer. Write down the answer, summer. And now look at this picture. This is a sweater. This is a woolen sweater. So we wear these types of clothes in winter. Last picture, we also wear these types of clothes in summer. We wear clothes made of cotton and linen in summer. We wear clothes made of cotton and linen in summer. Look at the picture of cotton. Yes, this is cotton. In Urdu we call the cotton रुई. कपड़े किससे बनते हैं हमारे? We wear clothes made of cotton. You know, cotton cloth is made from the cotton wool. We get cotton from cotton wool. Do you know this thing? We get cotton cloth from the cotton wool, and we get linen from the flax plant. We get from the cotton plant. Linen is made from the flax plant. Linen is made from the flax plant. Look at the picture. This is the picture of a flax plant. Cotton and flax are spun into threads. They are spun into threads. Look at the picture. The first picture is showing you that from cotton we make cotton clothes. Cotton and flax are spun into threads, and from those threads our clothes are made. Then cloth is woven from these threads by hand in looms. You can see the picture on page number 49. This is a hand loom. The cloth is woven from these threads by hands in looms. Now it is also made by machines in mills. Cotton and linen clothes keep us cool. Cotton and linen clothes keep us cool. This is the picture of cotton cloth. Okay. We wear woolen or silk clothes in winter. Do you know this, that in winters, when it is cold, so we wear woolen or silk clothes. In winters, we wear woolen clothes. Do you know what is wool made of? Yes, wool is made from the sheep's hair. Wool is made from the sheep's hair. What about silk? Silk is made from the cocoons of the silkworm. Look at the picture of silkworm. Yes, this is a silkworm, and from its cocoon, silk is made. Look at the second picture. The second picture is showing the cocoons of silkworm. Okay, what about rainy season? In rainy season, we wear rubber or plastic coats over our clothes because they protect us from water. These coats are waterproof, and water does not get through waterproof clothes. These clothes help a lot. So we should try to keep our clothes. These clothes help to keep us dry. Okay, note down your homework. Make title page of this lesson, types of clothes. Read page number 48 and 49 and complete page number 48 in your book. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.